Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. I have two boys that were looking for new ways to express their creativity. Well, we found this incredible polymer clay set that they absolutely love. It comes with 50 colors. My youngest, as soon as I opened it up, he said, "Oh my goodness, Mom, look at all the colors." So we love that this has such a wide variety. It also has tons of sculpting tools, little accessories to make earrings or hair clips, which I have boys, so they're not so much into that, although I did make a hair clip and had a lot of fun just to see how it would turn out. So if you have little girls, they'll probably love those little accessories. Another thing that impressed my kids is that the clay doesn't dry out. They were so used to modeling clay before that if they'd leave it out, it would get dry and they'd have to throw it away. So the fact that this only dries when you're ready for it to dry, they love. Now it comes with an instruction booklet that explains the different methods that you can use to dry the clay. We've only used the oven method, but it worked really well for us. The little booklet also has little pictures and creative ideas to inspire your kids. Another huge bonus for me as a mom is that this comes in a case. So cleanup and storage is super easy. This really has exposed my kids to a fun new hobby, which I love, and I enjoy it too, so it's a win-win. If your kids are also looking for a creative outlet, I'd highly recommend this set. It is a huge hit in our house. But that's just our point of view.